Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store for dropshipping. First, define your niche by identifying a specific product category or target audience. Research potential products within your chosen niche, focusing on items with high demand and good profit margins. Understanding the dropshipping business model, including how supplier relationships and order fulfillment work, is crucial for your success. This foundational step ensures you build a store around a viable and exciting concept. Next, create your Shopify account and select a subscription plan that fits your budget and business needs. Shopify offers various plans, typically starting around $29 per month. Then, choose an appealing theme from the Shopify theme store. Many free and paid options are available. Customize your store's design, including colors, fonts, and essential pages like About Us and Contact. A professional and user-friendly design is vital for attracting and retaining customers. Now it's time to source your products. Integrate a dropshipping app such as DSers or Spocket to connect your store with reliable suppliers. These apps allow you to easily import products directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Once imported, optimize each product's description, ensuring it is compelling and informative. Use high-quality images and set competitive, yet profitable pricing. Aim for a profit margin of at least 20 to 30% on most items. Finally, prepare for your store's launch and marketing. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy, utilizing social media, email campaigns, and potentially paid advertising to reach your target audience. Set up essential payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal and define your shipping zones. Before going live, conduct thorough testing of your entire store from product pages to checkout, ensuring a seamless customer experience. With these steps, you're ready to launch your dropshipping business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.